Dali Monastery, also known as Druk Sangag Choling Monastery, is one of the largest and most prominent monasteries in Darjeeling. It holds great historical, spiritual, and cultural significance in the region. Here's an overview of its history. 1. Establishment and background, founded in 971. Dali Monastery was established by Kyabje Thuksey Rinpoche in 1971. It belongs to the Drukpa Kagyu lineage, one of the principal schools of Tibetan Buddhism. Thuksey Rinpoche's legacy. Kyabje Thuksey Rinpoche, a revered Tibetan Lama, was instrumental in founding this monastery. He was a key figure in the Drukpa Kagyu lineage and contributed greatly to spreading the teachings of the school in India after Tibet's political situation caused many monks to flee. 2. Relocation and expansion. The monastery was initially located in another part of Darjeeling, but was later relocated to its present site in Dali, about 5 kilometers from Darjeeling town. Its relocation to this serene hilltop area gave it its name, Dali Monastery. Construction and expansion. Over the years, the monastery expanded significantly, becoming one of the largest in Darjeeling. It serves as both a place of worship and a monastic education center. 3. Architectural significance. Traditional Tibetan architecture. Dali Monastery showcases the traditional Tibetan style of architecture with vibrant colors, intricate murals, and large prayer halls, statues, and relics. Inside, the monastery houses impressive statues of Lord Buddha and various Buddhist deities, alongside important Tibetan scriptures and relics. 4. Role as a learning center. Monastic education. The monastery functions as a center of learning for monks, offering teachings on Buddhist philosophy, scriptures, rituals, and meditation practices. Many monks from Bhutan, Nepal, Tibet, and other parts of the Himalayan region come here to receive education. Institute for Higher Learning, Dali Monastery also has an educational institute for higher Buddhist studies. It attracts students from across the globe, furthering the spiritual and academic reach of the Drukpa Kagyu tradition. 5. Spiritual and active monastic community. The monastery is home to over 200 resident monks who follow a disciplined life of meditation, prayer, and study. Visitors often witness the monks engaging in prayer sessions, chanting, and rituals. Religious events. The monastery hosts various Tibetan Buddhist ceremonies and religious festivals, which draw large crowds of locals and tourists. These events are vibrant and include chanting, ritualistic dance, and traditional music. 6. Ties to the Drukpa lineage. Dali Monastery remains closely tied to the Drukpa Kagyu lineage, one of the most ancient and revered schools of Tibetan Buddhism. It follows the teachings of Gyalwang Drukpa, the head of the Drukpa order, which emphasizes compassion, nonviolence, and environmental awareness. The monastery also regularly receives visits from high-ranking Tibetan lamas, including the Tooth Gyalwang Drukpa, who blesses the monks and leads important ceremonies. 7. Tourist and spiritual attraction. Open to visitors. While primarily a place for monks and students, Dali Monastery is open to the public. Visitors can explore the monastery, witness prayer sessions, and meditate in the serene environment. Beautiful surroundings. Located on a hill with a backdrop of the Himalayas, the monastery offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area, adding to its peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. 8. Contemporary role promoting Buddhist teachings. Today, Dali Monastery continues to play a vital role in spreading Buddhist teachings, not only to the local population, but also to international followers. It is also an important center for the study of Tibetan culture and spirituality. Environmental initiatives. In keeping with the Drukpa lineage's emphasis on environmental sustainability, the monastery promotes eco-friendly practices, including tree planting and environmental conservation programs. 9. Art and cultural heritage. murals, and thenkas. The walls of the monastery are adorned with intricate murals depicting various aspects of Buddhist mythology and the life of Lord Buddha. Thenka paintings, a significant art form in Tibetan culture, can also be seen here. Chanting and ritual music. Visitors are often greeted by the sound of chanting and traditional Tibetan ritual music played during prayer sessions, adding to the cultural richness of the monastery. Summary: Dali Monastery, with its rich history rooted in the Drukpa Kagyu lineage, serves as an important spiritual and educational center in Darjeeling. Its beautiful architecture, peaceful setting, and role in promoting Tibetan Buddhist teachings make it a significant cultural and religious landmark.